Hi guys, how are you doing today? I'm Amsi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm tackling my really messy bedroom. I've been neglecting cleaning my room for quite some time now, and also I realized it is where I start and end each day, and it kind of completely makes sense to have a calm and relaxing vibe. So stay tuned with me, and hopefully at the end of this, you're also inspired to clean your space. Okay, moving on. Here is a quick preview of my room before cleaning. It's in a pretty bad shape, I know that. It's kind of embarrassing to show you guys its current state, honestly. And this is how it looked after cleaning. I must say the process was quite satisfying. It was just one of those days where I was feeling unmotivated to do the cleaning bit on my own. So I called my partner to help me out. Let's dive right into the mess. As you can see, there are a lot of washed clothes that needs to be folded, heaps of laundry to be done, a lot of sheets lying rumpled on a sloppy bed, and a disorganized dressing table. Let's tackle them all one at a time. Normally, before anything, the first thing I do is to make the bed. The bed is literally the biggest piece of furniture in the bedroom. So the moment you fix it, it creates the illusion of a cleaner room almost instantly. And I started off with changing the sheets with fresh ones and did my routine of changing pillow covers and washing the comforters. So I got these fitted sheets made in Bombay dyeing. They're a lifesaver if you're a lazy person like me who wants to have a well-made bed at all times with the least effort. The best thing is they cannot be pulled off from the bed that easily. The elastic band inside them holds them firmly in place. That said, you need to get the right size made. For instance, if you have a king mattress, you cannot get a good fit with a queen size sheet. So before going to the store, make sure you know your dimensions well. Okay, now the bed is done. Okay, moving on to laundry now. The first thing I do is sort all my fresh clothes on the clean bed. I'm starting out by sorting them into different piles, and there ends my job. My least favorite activity is folding clothes, mostly because I'm not that good at it. My partner is helping me out with that. Now the clothes are folded and I'm quickly putting them away in their respective shelves. Pick up any unwashed clothes from the floor and toss them in the laundry basket, or if you have the time, start a new cycle in your washing machine. Decluttering is the activity that I look forward to the most in my cleaning routine. It is very therapeutic to me. The trick I follow is collecting things in a basket that don't belong on the side table or dressing table or any surface around the bedroom. Now I wipe down surfaces and containers with disinfectant spray and microfiber cloth. My current favorite is this Clorox one. The microfiber cloth is from Amazon Basics. I use them regularly to wipe down surfaces thoroughly. And slowly I started putting things back on the table. And now adding more things to the basket, stuff just keeps showing up from everywhere. And finally putting things back where they belong. Do not forget to disinfect any hard surface in your room. We often overlook cleaning doorknobs, drawer pulls and switch boards. They need to be thoroughly cleaned at least every once in a while. And for cleaning the mirror, I used some good old vinegar to a spray bottle because it gives a spotless finish. I used this glass cloth Even if you don't have one, don't fret. Even a piece of newspaper will work just fine. Lastly, I vacuumed the floor with my favorite Miele C2 vacuum cleaner. I have been using this for the last 2 years without any issues whatsoever. It does its job really well. And lastly, the final touch is to create a relaxing vibe. After all, we deserve to have a space where we can unwind at the end of the day. My favorite thing to use around the house is this aroma diffuser that I got from Amazon. It's a pretty good one for the price. I've been using it for quite some time now. I like to diffuse different scents from time to time, and this time I chose peppermint and a blend of essential oils. That's pretty much it, guys. The space has transformed from messy to beautiful. I really hope it doesn't get messy anytime soon. That brings us to the end of the video, and I'll catch you in the next one very soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you.